What features should be mentioned about Aninerel 12000W Solar Hybrid Inverter? Why you should choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you should choose that. Because it has the following features. Converts 48 volts DC power from solar panels or batteries to 120 volts single phase, 240 volts split phase AC. Delivering 12,000-watt continuous output and 24,000-watt peak output to easily power heavy-duty appliances, cookware, televisions, workshops equipment, and daily loads. Supports up to 6,000 plus 6,000-watt PV input with max 500 volts DC, perfectly matching off-grid, on-grid solar systems for homes, RVs, cabins, and workshops. Equipped with 2 MPPT solar charging controllers and max 220 amp battery charging current, maximizing solar energy harvesting and boosting charging efficiency by up to 30% compared to traditional controllers. Compatible with high-voltage PV arrays, up to 500 volt DC, it ensures stable and fast charging even under varying light conditions. Works seamlessly with 48-volt AGM, GEL, lead-acid, Li-ion, and lithium iron phosphate battery, and supports no battery operation for direct solar-to-load use. Adopts a new exterior design and hardware topology, paired with advanced digital control technology for superior performance. Features an OLED light touchscreen with high-definition display, accurate touch response, and intuitive operation interface, allowing you to easily monitor and adjust parameters. Supports flexible monitoring modes, Wi-Fi enabled, as indicated by model ANJ 12000W LVP Wi-Fi, for real-time status check anytime, anywhere. Boasts an IP65 dust-proof enclosure, making it durable for indoor and semi-outdoor use, capable of withstanding harsh environments, heat, humidity, dust. Equipped with a smart variable speed cooling system based on power consumption for efficient heat dissipation. Comprehensive hardware and software protection mechanisms, overvoltage, undervoltage, reverse polarity, short circuit, extend equipment and battery lifespan. Max efficiency exceeds 95%, ensuring energy-saving operation, and UL 1741 certified for reliable and safe use. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.